It's Project Starchild. Follow me on TikTok. Well, hello and welcome to Bird, Plane, Bug, or UFO. Oh yeah, it could be a drone. I shot this screen recording of a webcam over Stafford Aeronautical Center or something like that in Oklahoma, and caught so many sightings in about a 12.5-minute video that I've edited down here into about 20 small clips, each of which has some very interesting phenomenon. So we have some bright orange objects. Could they be bugs? The distance from the camera makes it iffy. We also have some beautiful blue-green objects in the sky. These look a little bit more like our traditional fast-moving light objects or light beings. We have flashes throughout this video. Flashes in the sky could be drones observing all this activity. We have fast movers zip across the screen from close to the frame to far off into the distance. So many fun things to analyze. So tell me, do you think the orange ones are bugs? Do you think the flashers are drones? Do you think we have some type of light interference that is messing with our camera? Do you think these are all UFOs, spirit beings, light beings, something completely different? I don't know, but even if only one of these captures is an actual UAP or UFO from within our galaxy coming to visit us, well, then I guess the time it took putting this video together was worth it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be posting lots of videos from my TikTok.